Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3 with the member. I'm Hila Octavia as a moderator and the first speaker, and my friend Anissa Salsabila as the third speaker, Devi Rusdiani and the second speaker, and Juliana as the fourth speaker. We will explain material about determined variable. Okay, the first material about on the next slide, please. The first material about definition of variable will explained by me. The next slide, please. According to Dreyer, 2000, a variable is a construct of trait to be studied, so that its concept representation of an abstract concept, or in other words, a variable is a trait taken from a different value. According to Sugiono, 2017, what is meant by desired variable is basically anything that is determined by the researcher to be studied, so that information is obtained about it, which we then draw conclusion. According to Ibnu, 2003, page 36 to 38, a variable is a concept that has more than one value, state, category, or condition. According to Chandra, 2008, a variable is a component, a factor that is related to one another and has been inventory first in the result variable. And the last, according to Silayan, 2018, result variable are concepts that have various values or have varying value, namely a trait, characteristic, or phenomenon that can indicate something to be observed or measured. Based some opinions from some of definition above, we can conclude that our variable is a component in the result that must be determined by the researcher to be studied in order to obtain information, so that we can draw conclusion from the information that has been obtained. A variable is an object result or what will be focused on the study. If a researcher want to investigate whether it is true that cause or decline in the children learning achievement in the school, then the object of research is game and the student assessment. That's the variable in this study are the games and learning achievement. Okay, this material for me. The next speaker is the first unit.
Thank you, moderator. Next slide, please. Okay, we'll explain about the characteristic of variable. According to Hidayanti, 2019, good research variable have the following criteria. For the first is relevant to the purpose of the study, and the second can be observed and measured, and the last is in a study variables need to be identified, classified, and operationally defined clearly and unequivocally, in order to not to cause errors in the collection and processing of data, and also in hypothesis testing. Next slide, please. And the next characteristic is easy to measure. In addition, the characteristic of good variables are easy to measure, and explained by Hermawan and Amirullah 2016, the characteristic of object are easy to measure, but some are not easy to measure, such as motivation to succeed, the ability of withstand pressure, the ability to solve problems, and so on. Because this cannot be measured directly, the presence of the characteristic must be inferred by observing a sign or the size of a particular point. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Devi. The next material will explain with Anissa Salsabila. To Anissa, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I want to explain about types of the variable. According to Arifin, 2012, the type of variable can be divided into 4 levels. Namely, first is nominal variables. A nominal variables is a variable that can only be classified separately describe the category of which varies according to the type. The hallmark of this variable is to show each other segment or mutually exclusive between the category 1 to category other. Example variable nominal is gender variation. There are two, namely men and women. Another example is the type of variation. There are two, namely public and private. Marital status variation, there are two, namely the married or unmarried. Second, variable ordinal. Ordinal variables that are arranged based on the level of the attribute specific. The characteristic variable is ordinal has separate variable that indicate the sequence or order. This sequence depict the presence of grading or ranking. A distance of rank 1 with the other is not the same. For example, the champion of the 1, 2, 3 obtained a score of 90, 80, and 75. A distance of 75 to 80 is 5, while the distance between 80 to 90 is 10. Another example is the rating or ranking that there is rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3. Okay, next variable interval. Variable interval, which scale of measurement has the same distance or have a unit or a specific unit. The characteristic scale variables interval which can be set between one unit and another unit that has a fixed distance does not have the value of absolute zero, and scores that are inside are not comparison ratio. For example, the scale of the thermometer showed 0 degrees Celsius, but still there is heat. Another example is the value of learning, namely 90, 80, and 70. The distance between the value of 90 and 80 is equal to the distance below the 80 and 70. Next, variable ratio. Variable ratio, that is variable is qualification has a value of absolute zero and can indicate the nature of the comparison. For example, the result of measurement of weight, namely the weight of the baby 5 kilogram is half of the weight of the baby that the other 10 kilogram. Other examples such as distance, age, and speed. The next, according to Surya Brata, judging from the nature of the variable are divided into two, namely, first is active variables. Active variables is a variable that allows for the manipulated or can be changed or can be replaced according to the purpose decided by the researchers. For example, is researching the behavior of a person, whether good or bad. The next, variable attributive. Variable attributive variables that are fixed and in a reasonable condition properties, it is hard to change. Okay, that's from me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Anissa. The last material will be explained by my friend Jeliana. To Jeliana, time is yours.
Thanks to moderator, I'm Jeliana. I will continue to explain the material about types of the variable. 3, according to Bungin 2011, the type of the variable based on its function is the first one is dependent variable. The dependent variable or the dependent or bound or dependent is a condition or characteristic that changes or appears when the research introduces, modify or substitute for the independent variable. According to the function, this variable is influenced by other variables. Second is independent variable. The independent variable or can be changed are the conditions or characteristics by the resources manipulated in order to explain the relationship with the phenomenon observed. According to mainly influential in other variables. And the third is an intervening variable. An intervening variable or a variable of the essence is a variable that serves to connect one variable with other variables. That relationship can be concerning cause and effect or the influence or affected. This variable is a variable interrupters or between which is located between the independent variables and the dependent variables, so that the independent variables do not directly affect the change or the emergence of the dependent variable. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, the next is moderator variable. A moderator variable is a variable that have and even it can strengthen or can weaken between the dependent variable and the independent variable. These variables as independent variable second. The next is variable control. Variable control or the control variables are variables that limit or coloring moderator variable. These variables serve as a control of the variables, especially those related with the moderator variable and the smoke, which also influence the variable that depends. And the last is random variables. Random variables are is a variable that the function can ignore and its influence can not be noticed against the free or depends. Okay, that's all from me. I give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you to Juliana. Okay, this all material from group 3. For everyone who want to ask a question for group 3, please write your name in the chat room. Okay, if there is no one want to give me question, we all from group 2 will end this question. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.